welcome students. Welcome to our third part of our first lesson. Now what was our first lesson students? Our first lesson was Hedy. A girl named Hedy. We have learned in our last session that how Hedy's grandfather take care of Hedy. So in our last session we have learned that Hedy's grandfather was instructing Peter to take care of Hedy, to take care of her dinner, and he was telling Hedy that how Hedy's have his dinner. What was his dinner habit? So let us continue our chapter from where we have stopped. So let us start. So before starting our lesson, students, open your textbook, open page number 4, take a pencil in your hand, underline the meaning and the hard words in your books, whichever I am telling you here. So let us start. Look at your book, students. Hedy now came running in. Will the sun laugh at me now, grandfather? She asked anxiously. Now what Hedy is telling? Now Hedy came into the herd running, and she is telling, will the sun laugh at me now, grandfather? She is asking a question to his grandfather. What was the question? Will the sun laugh at me? Why is she asking such a question in such a new? Why was she asking this question, students? Do you know? In our last part, we have studied that grandfather was telling Hedy that go and clean yourself or sun will laugh at you. So that's why Hedy gone to clean herself, and when she cleaned herself, she came and she was asking the question, will the sun laugh at me now? She is asking that, क्या sun हंसेगा मेरे पे, grandfather? She asked anxiously. What is the meaning of anxiously, students? Anxiously means she was worried, she was tense that what will happen if sun laughed at me? I will got embarrassed. Means she was so tense, she was in a tension, she was so worried that what will happen if sun will laugh at me. So she was asking in tension that will sun laugh at me, grandfather? Her grandfather had, now look, her grandfather had left a coarse towel hanging up for her near the tub. And with this, she had so thoroughly scrubbed her face, arms and necks for fear of the sun that as she stood there, she was as red all over as a lobster. Now, coarse means rough. Now, what her grandfather is telling her, her grandfather had left a coarse towel hanging up for her near the tub. When grandfather had ready to clean, when grandfather take a Hedy and put a tub of water for her, he kept the towel for her to clean herself. In the morning when we get up, जब हम सुबह उठते हैं तो मम्मी कैसे हमारे लिए टॉवेल निकाल के रखती है, हमारे कपड़े आयरन करके रख देती है, तो वैसे ही ग्रैंडफादर ने जब उसके लिए पानी रेडी किया था तभी उन्होंने उसके लिए टॉवेल भी निकाल के रखा था कि जब वो अपने आप को क्लीन कर लेगी तो वो टॉवेल से अपने आप को पोंछ देगी. कौन सा रफ टॉवेल था उनके पास, तो उन्होंने वो टॉवेल उसके लिए निकाल के वहाँ पे रखा था. तो क्या किया हेडी ने उस टॉवेल से? She had so thoroughly scrubbed her face. What does meaning by scrub? Scrub means she rubbed herself so hard. उसने अपने आप को इतनी जोर से रब किया. जब हम अपने आप को, हमें ईचिंग होती है तो हम कैसे ईच करते हैं, खुजली करते हैं, तो कैसे हमें स्किन रेड हो जाती है. वैसे ही हेडी ने क्या किया, उस टॉवेल से अपने आप को इतना घस के पोंछा कि उसकी स्किन जो थी वो पूरी रेड हो गई थी. She was looking like a lobster. What is lobster, students? Do you know? Lobster is an animal name. Lobster look like red. It is a different animal के different colors होते हैं. जैसे parrot का green color है, वैसे ही lobster का कौन सा color होता है? Red. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि उसने अपने आप को इतना घस के पोंछा, उसने अपने आप को इतना जोर से रब किया कि उसकी जो स्किन थी वो पूरी सनस्क्रीन बोलते हैं ना मम्मी कि लगा ले, या फिर जब हम खेल के आते हैं तो मम्मी बोलती है गो एंड वॉश योर हैंड्स, क्लीन योरसेल्फ. So that only grandfather was telling Eddie that you have cleaned yourself and you can go and play. Now let us see what Eddie will do. She started joyfully for the mountain. During the night, the wind had blown away all the clouds. Dark cloud sky was spreading overhead, and its midst was the bright sun shining down on the green slope of the mountains. Now, Eddie is describing everything in detail. That when she was going at the mountain, it was so beautiful. At the night, the dark clouds got a side. In the morning, the dark clouds got a side, and in the middle there was a sun brightening on the green slopes. It was so beautiful there. मतलब वो बोल रहे हैं वहाँ पे कि रात के टाइम हवा चली तो सारे जो डार्क क्लाउड्स थे वो सब साइड हो गए. मिडल के अंदर, मिडिस मीन्स मिडल, इन द मिडल सन वॉज शाइनिंग. सन जो था वो चमक रहा था, आसमान के बीच में सन चमक रहा था, और सारे जो डार्क क्लाउड्स थे वो साइड हो गए थे, दो पार्टीशन में बट गए थे. When the flowers opened their little blue and yellow cups and looked up to him smiling. Now वो क्या बोल रही है कि जब मैंने फ्लावर्स को देखा तो उन्होंने अपनी पेटल्स खोली, और वो अपनी पेटल्स खोल के मुझे देख के हंस रहे थे. जब वो वहाँ पे गई ना, it was so beautiful. She loved it. She loved the mountains and the green slopes so much that she was into it so much that she is telling us that when she looked at that flowers was smiling at her and giving him a gaze. Means they were looking at her. Harry went running hither and thither and shouting with delight, for she had not seen such a variety of flowers before. Now Harry went running hither and thither. Hither and thither means here and there. Harry was running here and there. It was so beautiful that she cannot stop herself. She was running here and there, and she was looking everywhere. That every point she was looking, every single point she was looking was so beautiful. She is telling that I haven't seen such a beautiful flowers ever. मैंने कभी ऐसे beautiful flowers अपनी लाइफ में नहीं देखे. ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है कि मैं माउंटेन्स पे आई हूँ और इतने ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स देखे हैं. जब आप लोग मेले में जाते हो तो मेले में कितने सारे गेम्स न्यू होते हैं, हर बार कोई ना कोई न्यू गेम होती है, और आप लोग बोलते हो अरे वाह मैंने तो ये गेम कभी नहीं खेली, ये मेरा पहली बार है खेलने के लिए, और फिर बार उसी गेम को रिपीट करते जाते हो क्योंकि आपको मजा आती है उसमें. तो वैसे ही हैरी बोल रही है कि मैं इस ऐसे माउंटेन पे ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स मैंने कभी नहीं देखे. तो क्या कर रही है, यहाँ से वहाँ भाग रही है. Every single flower she is looking at. Now look, enchanted with all the waving field of brightly colored flowers, had even forgot Peter and the goats. Now she was enchanted. Enchanted means attracted towards. She was so attracted. जैसे मैग्नेट से कैसे लोहा अट्रैक्ट होता है, वैसे ही हेडी जो थी वो सारे ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स से और माउंटेन से, ग्रीन स्लोप से वो अट्रैक्ट हो रही थी. वो उसकी तरफ खींची चली जा रही थी. वो अपने आप के कंट्रोल नहीं था उसको, वो इधर उधर भागने लगी. वो यहाँ तक कि पीटर और उसकी गोट्स को भी भूल गई कि मैं पीटर और उसके साथ गोट्स के साथ आई हूँ. जब हम बाहर गार्डन में खेलने जाते, जैसे गेट के अंदर जाते, हम जब सबको खेलने देखते तो हम कैसे भागने लग जाते हैं मम्मी का हाथ छोड़ के, या मम्मी मैं जा रहा हूँ खेलने. तो हम कैसे इधर उधर भागने लगते कि मैं पहले कौन सा गेम खेलूं, ये खेलूं या वो खेलूं. हम कैसे कंफ्यूज रहते हैं और फिर खेलने लगते हैं. वैसे ही एडी जब माउंटेन्स में गई तो उसको भी वो फ्लावर्स इतने अच्छे लगे कि वो यहाँ भागने लगी. वो यहाँ तक के भूल गई कि वो पीटर के साथ आई है. सेम जैसे हम गार्डन में जाते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं कि मम्मी भी मेरे साथ आई है, हम खेलने लग जाते हैं. सो हेडी भी खेल रही थी वहाँ पे. She ran on in front and then off उसको एक जगह इतनी अच्छी लगी जहाँ पे रेड और येलो कलर के फ्लावर थे कि वो अपनी आंखें वहां से हटा नहीं पा रही थी. इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ व्हाट Eddie did? Peter, look at this flower, she said excitedly and all the while. Now what she did, when she saw such a beautiful flower and such a beautiful scenery, she suddenly thought of Peter and she was calling him. That Peter, come here. This is so beautiful. There are so beautiful flowers. Look at them. She is telling Peter that look at this beautiful flower. It is looking so brightly. She was plucking whole handfuls of the flowers, which she put into her little apron. Now, what she did? She was plucking every flower. She was plucking means she was taking out flowers. She was जब हम blood हमें जो फ्लावर्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो हम ऐसे कट करते हैं और अपने पास ले लेते हैं या अपने बालों में लगा लेते हैं. So she was doing the same thing. She is plucking all the flowers which she put into her little apron. उसके छोटे से पॉकेट में वो एक लिटिल एप्रन लाई थी. उसके अंदर उसने सारे फ्लावर्स रख लिए. जब हम फ्लावर तोड़ने जाते हैं तो कैसे हमारे पास एक बकेट रहता है जिसके अंदर हम फ्लावर्स रखते हैं, वैसे ही उसके पास एक लिटिल एप्रन था जिसके अंदर उसने सारे फ्लावर्स उसके रख दिए. First she wanted to take them all home and stick them in the hay so that she might make her bedroom look just like the meadows outside. Now what is she saying? She wants her bedroom look like meadows. Meadows means just like the mountains. How mountains is looking so beautiful, so amazing. She wants her bedroom to look like it. So she plucked every flower. She means उसने सारे फ्लावर तोड़ दिए कि मैं अपने रूम में जाके डेकोरेट करूंगी. मेरे को अपना रूम डेकोरेट करना है इस फ्लावर से, तो मेरा भी रूम एकदम माउंटेन जैसा लगेगा. मैं जब भी वहां पे जाऊंगी मुझे माउंटेन का फील आएगा. उसके अंदर मैं वो सारे माउंटेन की ब्यूटीफुल चीजें याद करूंगी. Students, whenever we go on the picnic, so we take pictures of that and we keep it in our album or we stick it somewhere that we can see it every day. So that only Eddie was doing. She is plucking all the flowers for taking the memory with her and sticking it in the room to remember everything. She cannot forget it. So she wants this beautiful scenery in her room. So she was doing the same thing. Now students, we end our chapter here. Now we will learn in our next session, next lesson. So students, today you have to write the hard words and the meaning of these lessons in your notebook. Thank you.